Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with hair around shoulder length. Oh, whoa, okay. She went with this beautiful copper color, gorgeous natural curls in the form of a pixie. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. I love the fact that she has the red lip to set off the look overall. Such a beautiful transformation. So here we have someone who decided to big chop their hair into a bob. Like I said, a lot of women are going to be going shorter this summer season. So here we have someone, now she has some thinning hair going here in the crown area. The stylist cuts the hair and she ends up getting a beautiful pixie. Now if your hair is thinning, that would be a great option. And then here we have someone getting some color. Looks like she's doing a purple and platinum color mix here, or purple and silver. This is kind of giving me like mystical, unicorn hair. Ooh, look at that pixie. This is such a gorgeous style. So pretty, and she got the full 90s style classic pixie shape here. Very cute. So here we have someone, now she's not going to be getting a transformation, but I thought that this hairstyle was very interesting. She's got like an undercut going here, and then look at that color. Absolutely gorgeous mix of black and blue, a little bit of silver going there as well. And then here we have someone with a pixie, and she decided to get the hair cut into a classic pixie shape. Very 90s. So here we have someone with long hair. Stylist is doing some shaping here. She's getting more of like a shaggy cut. Beautiful natural curls coming through. I love the messy, chic aesthetic of that style. So here we have another long to short. The stylist cuts the hair. Ooh, beautiful chic bob. Now this is more of like a rounded bob shape. She's got the bangs to frame out the face. Very nice. So here we have someone with a bob. Looks like she got some color here. Oh, wow. Peekaboo pink. Oh, this is gorgeous. Mixed with the platinum. Wow, this is so cute. This is such a fun style. So here we have someone with the most gorgeous ginger colored hair. Her hair is very thick and full too. And it looks like she got a nice blowout here with some layers. Beautiful bangs. So here we have someone, it looks like she decided to get a pixie. Wow, absolutely gorgeous shape. Next up, we have a color transformation. Ooh, beautiful orange copper color here. And she's got like a mullet Shaggy style. And then here we have someone also getting some color done on their buzz cuts. And it looks like they went platinum. This is another very popular hair trend. So many stylish ways you can play with your hair this season. So here we have someone styling their bob. She's got this gorgeous jaw length style bob. And then we have someone with mid-length hair who decided to switch it up with a bob with bangs. Very cute. Ooh, wow. Check out this bob with the orange tips. So cute. Another really fun and unique style.